Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having an amazing night. If you are new here, then thank you so much for clicking this video. My name is Amy and I love making videos about beauty and makeup and all sorts of stuff like that. So today I have a really exciting video. It's going to be short and sweet, so make sure you stick around and find out how this little device works. In all seriousness, tonight we are trying out Juvalips. So this is a lip plumping device. This is what she looks like. So this is a device you can use for 60 seconds. You can build up and use it for longer, but that's what I'm going to start out with today. I believe that's how long it will run when I actually turn it on. What this is supposed to do is give you instantly plumper lips, and it also says the longer you do this, the more lasting your results are. So at first it might only last me a couple of hours, but then down the road it could actually have long-term benefits to having fuller lips. So I'm really excited to just try it out and see how it works. So the first thing I'm going to do is kind of prep my lips. My lips do feel a little bit dry. I'm going to use this little Nug lip balm. It's been one that I've been loving lately. This one's like vegan, cruelty free, and it's very soothing. I'm just going to coat my lips really well, and I might mess up my makeup around my mouth, but that's totally fine. I'm going to make sure to get the edges too. So I just want to get anywhere where my lips might get a little bit plumper. It says that this will actually help with the seal around the mouthpiece too. You want to get a good seal or it's obviously not going to be as effective. So these are my natural lips. I want you guys to be able to take a look for a second. I wouldn't consider my lips to be thin, but also when I smile and things like that, they don't look super full. I feel like I have a pretty good shape to my lips, but I would like for them to be a little bit fuller. And, you know, obviously before I go and like get injections or something like that, it would be really interesting to see if this worked. So I just want to read the instructions and make sure that I don't make any errors. So I've got the batteries in. I have applied the lip balm. The third step says to place the Juvalips device against your lips and push and release the power button. Allow an airtight seal to form. It is automatically timed and will stop after 60 seconds. There is some important instructions here too that say do not use the Juvalips device for more than 1 or 2 of the timed 60-second applications during the first few times you try the device. I'm just going to stick with the one application because obviously this is new to me and I want to make sure it's going to be okay. It says a small percentage of users may experience mild discomfort or minor bruising. I can kind of understand that. Once it has established that a person is tolerant of 1 to 2 uses, the number of application can be increased to 4 to 6 if needed after the first few days. Okay, so let me go on. It says you will feel a gentle pulling in of your lips into the mouthpiece. This is normal and should allow your lips to be pulled in. After the first application, you can check the results and repeat the steps above until desired fullness is reached. This mouthpiece is reusable. It also has felt pads in here that can be replaced because obviously there can be like saliva and things in there. I do have to add too that they did send me this device, but they are not paying me to make the video and I'm under no obligation to give any specific feelings or thoughts about it. So I'm just going to use it and I'll give you guys my real thoughts. So, okay, I'm a little nervous. Let's give it a shot. My lips feel plumper. Alright, so here are what my lips look like right now. Got a little bit of makeup disturbance, but once I got used to using this, I would probably do it before makeup application. My lips feel like pillowy. I don't know if that's a good word to describe it, but my lips do feel a little fuller. I don't know that I had a really good like suction the whole time. Given that this was my first time using it, I don't know, I felt like I didn't have it quite right. I kind of want to use it again. It says you can use it 1 or 2 times on your first application, but I want you guys to be able to see what I'm looking like right now. I can feel a difference. Okay, let me take a look really quick. Let me know if you can see a difference right now in my lips, if there's any noticeable difference to you guys. I feel like there is a little bit of a difference that I can see. It's not overwhelming, but that was just one 60-second application, and I'm not confident that I had a really good seal the whole time. So I think I'm going to use it again. I'm going to use it one more time. Okay, so I'm going to give it another go. Why not? I have to say though that this was really gentle. I kind of expected like a firmer pull on the lips, but it felt very comfortable. It didn't feel weird or like it was too much. So, okay, let's give it another go. I feel like this did a pretty decent job. I'm gonna just condition my lips a little bit more. Again, just using that Nug lip balm. Just because if the skin is being, you know, stretched and your lips are actually getting larger, you know, it could dry out a little bit. So I just want to be cautious of that. All right, so here are my lips after 2 minutes of treatment with Juvalips. I'm trying to hold my mouth very relaxed so I'm not like pursing my lips, but they feel like they're already kind of doing that a little bit. My lips feel fuller. I almost feel like, I don't know if this makes any sense, but if you like, when you press your lips together and kind of pull them in your mouth like that, there's like a thickness to them that I really don't think they felt as large before. Okay. So that's it with the Juvalips. I'm kind of impressed for 2 reasons. First is that I do see a difference, so obviously it's doing something. But more impressively than that, there was no discomfort. It didn't really feel weird. It didn't feel like my lips were being like pulled really hard. It just felt like a little bit of a suction, but that's really it. I felt like the second time I got a better application or a better like suction against the lips, so a good seal. So I am pretty impressed. Definitely let me know below what you guys are seeing, if you feel like there's a noticeable difference or not really. I just feel like my lips are overall just a little bit more full. So I would be interested to do this consecutively every day and see if there is a marked improvement over time, if my lips are looking fuller. I have toyed with the idea of like, should I get a little lip injection, but I would want something very natural looking, not like overly plump and like crazy looking. So I've always kind of shied away because I wouldn't want to go too far and then it kind of look ridiculous, whereas this is just like a little natural plump. I'm really liking this. Let me know what you think below. I'm very curious to see your comments, and that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. I do have one more little thing to share with you guys. So it's at that time. Dad jokes. Did you hear about the kidnapping at school? It's okay, he woke up. I cannot deal with this. Thank you so much for watching. If you did stay with me until the end, I appreciate you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.